I'm about to share maintenance tasks that cost absolutely nothing but save thousands. I'm Susan Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County, and you don't need expensive tools or professional services for these game-changing tasks. Here's what blew my mind. Some of the most important maintenance costs $0. First, cleaning your refrigerator coils with a vacuum. This free task can cut your energy bill and prevent early breakdown. Second, lubricating your garage door with a $10 can of spray prevents costly spring damage and failed openers. Third, flushing your water heater annually extends its life and maintains efficiency. It just requires a garden hose. And fourth, changing HVAC filters regularly can reduce energy use by 15 to 20% according to energy departments. The crazy part, most homeowners skip these simple tasks and pay thousands later. Your home is your biggest investment. Protect it with these no-cost strategies.